Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to share with you something that has helped me a lot, and that is this Nioxin Scalp Therapy Conditioner. So if you're a person who has struggled with some hair thinning, maybe some hair loss or hair breakage or really fragile hair, you know that it can be very frustrating, very upsetting, and so it's so important to find something that can help with that. So for me personally, this conditioner has helped me with that. It has helped to strengthen and help my hair become a little bit thicker and a little bit denser. It has a nice pepperminty smell and it's very thick and it feels really nice when you put it on. You can leave it on for like 1 to 3 minutes and then you're gonna really start to feel that your hair is just becoming more moisturized. It just feels so nice. You squeeze it out so you can see that it is very thick. It's very creamy consistency, and again, it smells awesome. It smells super minty and it is really, really nice. It really has helped me a lot with my scalp health. So if you are looking for something that may be able to help you to strengthen your hair a little bit and help to condition your scalp to be in a position where you can regrow your hair, this is a really nice option, and that's my point of view.